We're vegan today. Yep, we are vegan. Whoever you are on the other side of that screen, you're gonna be vegan with me today because we are making an absolutely delicious entree that just happens to be vegan. These are crispy cauliflower steaks. This is kind of a tempura cauliflower. These are really crispy cauliflower steaks that I paired with this creamy tarragon and garlic and shallot vegan sauce, which is pretty cool considering things that are creamy aren't usually vegan, but you know, we live in this world of alternative milks and it is possible to make a delicious creamy vegan sauce. And that's why I'm here. First step is to prepare a flax egg. I'm actually creating 2 flax eggs. We're combining flax meal, which are ground up flax seeds, and water. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna create our breadcrumb mixture. In this mixture, we got panko breadcrumbs, salt, pepper, lemon zest, and garlic. Then we're gonna trim a head of cauliflower. Just cut those leaves off. I mean, you can still leave a few on if you really want to. Then I'm going to cut my cauliflower into thick steaks. They're about 1 to 2 inches thick and they look like this. How gorgeous. Now we're gonna coat our cauliflower steaks in that flax egg mixture. You can dip it in or brush it with a pastry brush. Make sure you get all those nooks and crannies because when this bakes, those flax seeds are actually gonna dry up and kind of blend in with the breadcrumbs, which is fabulous. All right, now let's dip those coated cauliflower steaks into the panko breadcrumb mixture. We want them nice and fully coated once again. Repeat with all the cauliflower steaks. Line all of the coated cauliflower steaks on a sheet pan and drizzle with some olive oil or avocado oil or grapeseed oil or whatever oil you like. Then top it off with a little extra pop of salt and pepper. We're gonna roast at 475 for about 25 minutes. In the meantime, let's heat up some olive oil and infuse it with shallots, garlic, and fresh tarragon. Of course you can use dried, but if I can find fresh, I am gonna use it. Let that simmer for about 10 minutes. Add some flour. We're basically making a roux. We don't need butter to make a roux, you guys. We're gonna toast our flour a little bit until it's a light creamy yellow color. I don't wanna go too crazy with it. I just wanna add a little nuttiness. Then we're adding almond milk and boiling it down to reduce into a thick and creamy sauce like this. By now, your cauliflower steaks should be done. Remove them from the oven and top them with fresh chopped parsley or fresh tarragon if you have any left over. And of course, pile that sauce on there. I mean, these are delicate, they're elegant, they're crispy, they're crunchy, they're zesty, they're bright. Oh my God! I would be 100% lying if I told you I haven't been nibbling on these all day, but you know, I just have been eating them nonstop. They're so easy to eat. Let's dig in. It's just too good. I made this vegan because 1, I love a challenge. You guys wanted vegan recipes and I wanted to deliver. Second reason I made this vegan is because I know how to make this not vegan. And I know it's gonna taste amazing. With real egg wash, I would honestly top it with some Parmesan cheese and like a heavy cream sauce. But the fact that anyone who is vegan can still enjoy it to a very, very, very full potential, I feel really good about that. But I'm gonna go eat this for like the 50th time today. It's really addicting and crunchy and delish. And I know Sebastian's going to kill me if I don't feed him soon. So I will see you later. You can follow me on Instagram. If you are new here, my account is Dining with Skyler and this entire recipe is in the description. So just scroll beneath the video and you'll see full recipe link and click it. You'll get the sauce and the cauliflower recipe as well. Okay, goodbye.